Alright, number 7, we want to add and simplify. So in this example, we do not have the same number on the bottom. Alright, so one method that always works, it's not the least common denominator, but it always works. You multiply the two denominators together, so we'll get 9 times 15. And then we'll just have to reduce at the end. 9 times 5 is 45. Write the 5 down, carry your 4. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 4 is 13. So 135. Alright, then you cross the tops. So we have to add them in between. So if we do 15 times 4, that gives us 60. And then 9 times 7, that gives us 63. Alright, and then when we add this gives us 123 over 135. Alright, so earlier we learned divisibility rules. And if I add up 1 plus 2 plus 3, that gives me 6. This is divisible by 3. And if I add up 1 plus 3 plus 5, that gives me 9. And 9 is divisible by 3. So I know that both these numbers are divisible by 3. So when I go to reduce them, divide by 3, 1, 3 goes into 12 4 times. So 41 times 3. Then on the bottom, 3 goes into 5 once. Well, I guess I'm doing this backwards. 3 goes into 13 4 times. And then you bring down to 115. 3 goes into 15 5 times. So it should be 45. I don't know why I'm working from the back. That was weird. Alright, so 41 over 45 would be the answer in lowest terms. Number 8. This time we want to subtract and reduce. So the same method will work here. We just have to subtract. Multiply the bottoms. So that will give us 33. Let me cut this off. And then 3 times 6 will give us 18. And then the minus, and 11 times 2 will give us 22. And then when we simplify, we get a negative 4, because 18 minus 22, negative 4 over 33. And this time that will not reduce. So negative 4 divided by 33. And number 9. We have 7 over 8 minus 9 over 14. So again, we can multiply these two on the bottom. So 8, 4 is 32, 8 and 3 is 11, so 112. 14 and 7, 28. And 108 minus 8 times 9, 72. Alright, so when we subtract, it's just 36 over 112. These are divisible by 4 at least, I want to say. So divide by 4, and that will give us 9. 4 goes into 11 twice, and then 32 8 times. So 28, 9 over 28, and then that will not reduce beyond that. So 9 over 28. Alright, so maybe I did not reduce that carefully. Let's check everything. Well, I already got the calculator open. Alright, so I'm going to clear this all out. We're going to do 8 times 14 just to check the bottom. So we get 112. Looks good. And we're going to do 7 times 14. And it gives us 98. Okay, so there's my mistake here. 98. This is 98. So when we subtract 72 and 98, that will give us 26. And we can just divide by 2. And that will give us 13. And divide by 2, that will give us 56. Okay, so 13 over 56. So I made a mistake there with the 7. 13 divided by 56.